Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel ANYBHI. Today I will tell you how you can make a QR code for your any social media handles like Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, etc. or for any websites or a YouTube channel or any URL you have by using the website called Canva. There are many websites are there to make a QR code particularly, but I think Canva is the best to make a QR code because it's a very simple and user friendly. I will given this website link in description. You can click that one or just open a Chrome browser and search canva.com and press enter. You will get this type of page. You need to sign up. I will sign up with Google. You can sign up with Facebook also. After sign up, Canva homepage will come like this. In the right side you can see create design. You have to click that one. There are many options. Custom design. If you want a particular dimension, you have to click custom design and add a width and height according to you. Or you can take any suggested poster like this. There are many options for poster, logo, YouTube thumbnail, presentation, Instagram poster. I will take poster here. It will open a new tab here. This is the editing page of the Canva. You can see in the left side there are many editing tools. If you scroll down, you can see option more. Click that one. After that you have to see where is the QR code. Here it is. You have to click that one. Then it will ask enter URL, means the for which social media or website you need to get the QR code. You have to add that websites or social media handle URL. For example, I will show you. This is my YouTube channel. Here it is URL. I will copy here and I will paste here and click generate code. It will generate your QR code. Here it is. This is the QR code for my YouTube channel. If you want to check this one, you just open your mobile camera and scan this. You will get my YouTube channel link. For any other social media you can do like that. For one more example I will show you. This is my Instagram account. Here it's URL. I will copy here and I will paste here, and again I will click generate code. It will generate my Instagram QR code also. Like this you can make any social media handles QR code. And if you want to download this, here it is option, download option, click that one. It has many options: PNG, JPG, PDF standard, PDF print, like this. I will take PNG and click download. It will start downloading your QR code. Here it is your QR code. This is my YouTube channel QR code and this is my Instagram. Like that you can make any social media handles QR code for YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and you can share with your friends also. And this is a very helpful website. You can make a digital poster also in Canva. If you want a full-fledged tutorial for Canva, let me know in comment box. I will make full video of this. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, don't forget to hit the like button and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Have a nice day.